Good morning, students. Myself, Vanishri Pateha, SVMP College, Department of Mathematics, Ilkal. So, last class we have studied the definition of matrix and elements or entries of the matrix, rows and columns. Next, we have studied the order of a matrix and general form of the matrix, that is 3 cross 3 matrix, and general form of a 2 cross 2 matrix, and also study the types of matrices. So next, lastly we have studied the equality of matrices. So these definitions we solve the some examples, that is in NCERT book exercise 3.1. So first example, in the matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19 minus 7, this is the first row. 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, that is the second row. So root 3, 1 minus root 5, 17, this is the third row. So this is the given matrix. So first question, write order of a matrix. Order means first we have write down this is the first row and this is the second row and this is the third row. So this is 3 cross. Number of rows, that is the 3 rows. And number of columns. So this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So 3 cross 4, that is the order of a matrix. Next, second question, the number of elements. The number of elements means number of rows into number of columns, that is equal to 12. So this is the second question answer. Next we have written, write the elements of. So A is equal to, so we can study this general matrix A11, A12, A13, this is A14. And next second row A21, A22, A23, A24. And next third row A31, A32, A33, and this is A34. So by comparing the given example and this formula, this is the general matrix of the order 3 cross 4. Here first we are finding the A13 by comparing this result. So corresponding elements, that is 19. Next A21 is there. A21 corresponding elements, that is 35. Next A33 is there, that is minus root 5. Next A24 is there. A24 means that is 12. Next lastly A23 is there. A23 means 5 by 2. So this is the first example. First we find the order of a matrix, next number of elements, and write the elements of this one. Okay. Next question. So see the question. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So 24 elements means the number of elements in, so here last example, that is 12 is there, here 24 elements is there. So how many rows and how many columns we have to arrange? So first we can consider as a 1 into 24. 1 into 24 means, so that is 1 rows it consists of and 24 columns. By we write down 24 rows and only 1 column. This is the first possible orders we can arrange the matrix. So next we have studied the 2 into 12. So it consists of 2 rows and 12 columns. So this is 12 rows and 2 columns. Next we have studied the 3. 3 into, so that is 4, and here 4 into 3. Next here, next 5 is there. So in the 5 table is not 24. Next 6. 6 into 4 and 4 into 6. Next 7 is not there and 8 is there. 8, 3. And this is 3 into 8. So sorry, this is 3 into 4 is not there. 3 4s are 12 is there. 6 into 4 we getting 24. Next, these are the possible orders to it can make the matrix. That is 1 into 24 and 24 into 1. Next 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 8 into 3 and 3 into 8. These are the possible orders. Next, one more question is there in this example, that is, what if it has 13 elements? 13 is a prime number, so possible orders we can write down 1 into 13 and 13 into 1 we have written down. These are the possible orders. Understand all of you students? So this is the second question. Next we consider the third question. Third question means same question, similar type of example, that is, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So here in the matrix 18 elements are there, so that starting from 1 into 18, so here we have written down 18 into 1. This is the first possible orders. So 1 rows and 18 columns. Next we can considering the 2. 2 into 9 and 9 into 2. Next 3 in the 3 table, so 18 is there, that is 3 into 6 and 6 into 3 we have written. Next so 4 is not there, 5 is not there, next 6 is there, so next 9 is there, lastly we have written 80. These are the possible orders to make the matrix. Next again in this question one more example is there, that is, what if it has 5 elements? What if it has 5 elements is, 5 is again prime number, that is possible orders 1 cross 5, 5 cross 1. These are the possible orders. Okay. Next fourth question. Construct 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by. So here we are considering construct 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix, general matrix we have read down. So that is A11, A12, next A21 and A22 is there. This is the 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so here given condition Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2 is there. First element, that is A11. By comparing I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, that is 2 square divided by 2, that means 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. This is the first element, that is A11. Next element, second element, that is A12. A12 means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So substituting in this equation, 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, that is 3 square divided by 2, that is 9 by 2. Okay, next second element in the first row complete. So next second row we have considered that is the first element, that is A21 is there. A21 means I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1, that is 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, that is again 3 square divided by 2, that means 9 by 2. Understand? Now next last element we have written A22 is there. A22 means that is 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, that is 4 square divided by 2, that means 16 by 2, that is we have written 8. So we find the all the elements, that is by substituting 2 cross 2 matrix, general matrix, that is A11, so we getting 2, and A12, that is 9 by 2, and A21, that is 9 by 2, and lastly A22 we are written, that is the 8. So here we are constructing the 2 cross 2 matrix. Understand all of you? Okay. So in the examination purpose only we ask the 2 cross 2 matrix only. Okay. Next example. So same construct 2 cross 2 matrix. Here we are considering Aij is equal to I upon j we have. So first we write down the general matrix of for 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to, we are written A11, A12, A21, and this is the A22 is there. So here Aij is equal to I upon j is the first element, that is A11 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1. Next second A12 means 1 by 2. So here A21 means that is 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. And lastly A22 is there, that is 2 by 2 means that is equal to 1. By substituting general matrix, that is A is equal to, that is 1 by 2, and this is the 2 and this is the 1. We are constructing the 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. Next, one more similar type of example, that is Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2 is there. So again we are considering A is equal to A11, A12, next A21, A22 is there. Okay. So first we calculating A11. A11 means by comparing I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 2. So this is the whole square. 2 plus 1, that is 3 square, divided by 2, that is 9 by 2. First element we calculating. Next, second A12 is there. By putting I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. That is 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square divided by 2. That is 1 plus 4 whole square, that is 5. 5 square means 25 divided by 2. This is the second element. Next we calculating A21. A21 means that is by comparing I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. That is 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 2. That is 2 plus 2, that is 4 square divided by 2. That means 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means that is equal to 8. Next we have studied the A22. A22 means that is 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square divided by 2. That means 2 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. That means 36 by 2. That is, we have written, that is equal to 18. So we calculating A11, A12, A21 and A22. So if we are substituting A is equal to general matrix, that is 9 by 2, and this is 25 by 2, and this is 8, and this is 18. So this is the general matrix. Understand all of you students? Okay. Next, similarly Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus sine of minus 3i plus j, and fifth one Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So try yourself only. So this is the fifth example. Next we have studied the sixth example. Find x, y, z. So listen carefully. Find x, y, z. So here two matrices are given. So in between equal sign is there. So last class we have studied the equality of matrices. Equality of matrices means first condition, order, they are of same order. Order must be same. That is the first condition. Second condition, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements means 4 is equal to y. 4 is equal to y means that implies y is equal to 4 we getting. Understand all of you? Okay. Next, corresponding elements 3 is equal to z. So 3 is equal to z means z is equal to, we write down as a 3. Next, by comparing x is equal to 1 we getting. X is equal to 1. So therefore find x, y, z is there. Therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and lastly z is equal to 3. These are the values of x, y, z by using the equality of matrices. Okay. Next example. So here is the x plus y. Here also we have given the two matrices. In between equality of two matrices, by apply first order must be same and corresponding elements are equal. First one, x plus y is equal to 6. This is, we call it as the equation 1. Next, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. Corresponding elements are equal. Next, corresponding elements mean second equation 5 plus z is equal to 5. So, this is the equation 2. And next, third equation xy is equal to 8. So, this is the third equation. Okay. So, using equation 2, so we get, so 5 plus z is equal to 5 is there. So, 5 get cancelled, z is equal to 0 we getting. So, here also find x, y, z value. So, z is equal to already we getting 0. And using third equation, xy is equal to 8 is there. So, y is equal to, we have written 8 by x. Using equation 3, we getting y is equal to 8 by x. Put equation 1. So, put equation 1 we get. So, here x plus y is equal to 6 is there. In this, x plus 8 by x is equal to 6 we have read. In place of y, we write down as a 8 by x, and next by we are taking the LCM, that is x as the LCM. Here x into x, that means x square plus 8 is equal to 6. So, here in the denominator x is there, we are taking the RHS, that is x square plus 8 is equal to 6x. So, this equation we have read down, x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation, by solving the quadratic equation, that is 4 2s are 8 is there. So, here we have written 4 into 2 minus 4 into minus 2, we getting plus 8, minus 4 minus 2, we getting minus 6. By solving this equation, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So, by x as the common term, that means x minus 4. In this, minus 2 as the common term, here we have written x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, here x minus 4 is equal to 0, and that implies x is equal to 4. This we getting the 1 value. And one more equation is there, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 2 we getting. Understand all of you? So, listen once again. So, here first equation 2 is there, a 5 plus z is equal to 5 is there. 5 get cancelled, we getting z is equal to 0. Understand all of you? This one. Next, third equation, xy is equal to 8 is there. So, we write down as a y is equal to 8 by x. So, this 8 by x substitute in the equation 1. So, x plus y is equal to 6 is there. In place of y, we are substituting 8 by x is equal to 6 is there. X square plus 8 divided by x is equal to 6. Here we are taking LCM, x as the LCM. And in the denominator x is there, we are taking RHS, that means multiplying by 6, that is the 6x. So, x square minus 6x plus 8x is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation solving the factorization method. Factorization method means 8 minus 4 into minus 2, these are the factors. By adding these two numbers, we getting the minus 6, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. We are taking x as the common term, x minus 4, here minus 2 as the common term, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here x minus 4 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 4. And one more, x minus 2 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 2. By substituting these x values in, we finding the corresponding y value. Corresponding y value means, we have written corresponding y value we have written. Listen here. So that is when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, so y is equal to 8 by x is there. That means 8 by 4. So that is a 4 ones are 4 to z. So that implies y is equal to 2. This is the y value. Understand all of you? Okay. One more value is there when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 8 by x is there. That means 8 by 2 means 2 4s are 8, that is 4. That implies y is equal to, we getting 4. These are the x, y, z values. Okay. Understand all of you? So these are the, we finding the x, y, z values. Again one more example is there, that is so here we have written x, y, z values is there, that is equality of two matrices we have to apply. So that is x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This we call it as the equation 1. Next second equation, x plus z is equal to 5. This is the second equation. And third equation, y plus z is equal to 7. This we call it as the third equation. Here y plus z is equal to 7 is there. Using equation 1, x plus y plus z is equal to 7 is there. That is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 7. X is equal to, we getting 2. X is equal to 2. Substituting in this equation, that is using equation 2, that is x plus z is equal to 5. Substituting x is equal to 2, that is 2 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5 minus 2. So z is equal to, we getting 3. So here we are calculating x is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. One more value is there, that is y plus z is equal to 7 is there. By substituting z is equal to 3 in this equation, y plus 3 is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 3. So we getting y is equal to 4. These are the values of x, y, z values. Understand all of you? Okay. Next, one more example. So that is find A, B, C, D. Here also using equality of two matrices. By comparing the result, corresponding A minus B is equal to minus 1. That is we call it as the equation 1. And next one more, 2A plus C is equal to 5. This we call it as the equation 2. Next second equation, 2A minus B is equal to 0. This is the third equation. And fourth equation, 3C plus D is equal to 13. This is the fourth equation. Understand all of you? So by comparing, corresponding elements are equal. We getting 4 equation by solving 1 and 3. So we have changes the sign. Second equation, this is minus and this is plus and this is the minus. So both get cancelled. A minus 2A means minus A. So that is equal to minus 1. So minus minus get cancelled. A is equal to, we getting 1. So A is equal to 1 means here 2A plus C is equal to 5 is there. So this is the second equation. By substituting A is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus C is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 minus 2. So that is C is equal to 3. We getting C is equal to 3. And next one more value we are calculating. A minus B is equal to minus 1 is there. 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. So here 1 plus 1 is equal to B. So that implies B is equal to, we getting 2. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3 here is there. And next one more value, 3C plus D is equal to 3C plus D is equal to 13 is there. We have written 13. Put already we calculating C value. Put C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3 in this equation. So that means 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. D is equal to 13 minus 9. We are getting d is equal to 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9, that means d is equal to 4. These are the values of A, B, C, D. Value A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to, lastly we have written down as the 4. These are the examples. We calculating x, y, z and A, B, C, D values. Okay. Next, in this example, we have to study the CET questions. That means A is equal to Aij is a square matrix if. So, by the definition of square matrix in the last class, number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Here option C, that is m is equal to n. Directly we have written in the square matrix, number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Number of rows is considered as a m and number of columns is considered as a n, that is option C, that is m is equal to n. Okay. Ninth question. So here we have written which of the given values. Here also we have to equality of two matrices, that is 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 7 is equal to 0 means 3x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 3 is there. Here is the x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Here option A minus 1 by 3 is there, is not there, and option C y is equal to x is equal to minus 2 by 3, this is wrong, and x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is there, this is wrong. So here which of the given values mean this is the not possible to find. Okay. Next, last question. This is very important for examination purpose and also CET question. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1. So number of matrices in order 3 cross 3 is 3 cross 3 number of elements. Here we have read number of elements, that is equal to 9 is there. So 0 or 1, 0 or 1 number of elements, that is equal to 2 is there. The number of all possible matrices of order means that is 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 means that is 512. So the here option D. So here also one more question. So this completes your first 3.1 exercise. Solve yourself only and try yourself only. See you next class. Take care.